Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review and demo video of the About Face, the Performer Skin Focused Foundation. So if you guys are interested in this foundation, make sure that you keep on watching. So a few things about Face. They launched in 2021. I'm a little bit late because I learned about them last year, like late last year. I saw some of their like liquid eyeshadows. They had lip, like matte lipsticks. They have blush. They have a whole line of products and they are really good. This brand is affordable. The foundation is priced at $22 and you can find them at Ulta Beauty. So far, that's all I know about like the location. Now, with the foundation, it is brand new. So it is new at Ulta Beauty. I came into work the other day and I saw the foundation and I'm like, okay, packaging really like was like sitting in front of the store. I'm like, I need to have this. I gotta see what's to it. It's real cute. You know what I'm saying? So I'll go put my stuff up and I go back over. This day, so funny. I had on no makeup. So I'm like, this is perfect for me to try out the makeup and see how I like it. I put the makeup on, the foundation. I was completely blown away because, for one, it was very like skin like. So when I applied it, I was like, okay, this is giving skin. And I mean literally because also my shade was head on. So your girl is olive. It's so hard for these brands to get the olive shade these days. Like olive is so hard for these brands to achieve. I can go in with a lot of different shades, but your girl is olive, like pretty olive brown, you know what I'm saying? So I look for my exact shade. So it's really a great shade, like with balancing between my neck and my face. My face is darker than my neck. My girl on TikTok, right? I posted a video on raving about the foundation. She's like, you know, this brand is good because they got the olive shade right. A lot of brands just think black girls are warm, neutral, and cool. But what about the olive girls? Like, it's so hard for them to get that olive undertone correct. Sometimes it's too green. Like, it's just a weird, it's a weird, it's really weird. So happy about that. That was one of the things that I was just like, yes, love that. Well, another thing that I noticed was the coverage. So I went in, I'm putting it on. First application is like, ooh, this is a good no makeup foundation. So I'm adding a little bit more just to see, your girl got to see if it's buildable for the girls who might need a little more coverage. Okay, it's covering up the dark spots. So I'm like, okay, cool. We got a little build here. But I realize it's just the medium coverage. So if you need anything past medium, this might not be the foundation for you. But if you like to have you a like natural skin finish, even though you may have like a little discoloration, or if you know how to go in with orange corrector, all of that, you will love this. This foundation is really, really good for $22, okay? Affordable. I feel like people are really, really sleeping on these affordable brands. Nobody's talking about this product. Like I wouldn't say nobody's talking about it because I saw like a couple people talking about it. The claims on this foundation is that it's breathable, long wearing, medium coverage, second skin finish, vegan and cruelty free, clean ingredients. So all of this on top of it being a great foundation. And I'm not just talking, you see the face. It met every claim. Every claim, okay? I will not lie to you. I'm telling you, I already applied the foundation, so I know already, you know what I'm saying? Like, I know this is my second day applying it. I know that it's good. So I'm just here to tell y'all, y'all need to go get it. And go get it fast because the girls might catch on and it might be out of stock soon. That's all I have for you guys. If this video was informative to you, if it was helpful, if it was something that you like need in your life, go ahead and subscribe. If you like me, you like my channel, subscribe. If you like the video, please give it a like because that helps me, that helps your other girls who want to come and figure out something about some foundation or some products or a little bit about Jesus, you know what I mean? That helps them too. So just like the video and comment because I want to hear from you guys. So comment. Community is everything. Comment. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Peace.